Excel BI for MS Office.
Executive Reporting Tool, 4.
Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel.
Data connectivity for MS Office.
Executive reporting is about data consolidation.
The data you need for such reports is in multiple places.
Databases, Excel, Files, SharePoint.
Enterprise systems such as Salesforce, Workday, and more.
Today, these data sources are exported manually into Excel.
And this data is cleaned and summarized.
Then, the summarized data is copied into PowerPoint, Word or Excel.
There is a better solution. Excel BI for MS Office turns MS Office into an executive reporting tool.
Connect to your data sources from within MS Office.
Create the reports once and only once.
Refresh the reports with live data from your data sources. Create pixel-perfect, stunning tables and charts each time. Data is refreshed each time you run the report, and the template stays exactly the same.
Attach data to any MS Office object, tables, charts, even shapes such as squares, rectangles and more.
Use analytical formulas not found in PowerPoint or Word. Sum,
average,
rank, R-sum and many more. Create multiple slides, sheets, pages.
For example,
1 slide per month. One sheet per region.
Create multiple files.
1 presentation per year. 1 Excel spreadsheet per country.
The end result is executive reporting with the click of a button. Use case includes
Quarterly sales report,
P&L, balance sheets,
invoices, letters. Excel BI for MS Office.
full office automation. Up and running in minutes. Easy to use. Small footprint. Executive reporting in hours. SaaS model or on-premises.